Imagine stumbling upon a stone that cracks open to reveal the delicate remains of a creature that roamed the Earth millions of years ago. Let's journey back to the first-ever discovery of a dinosaur egg. In 1923, an incredible find in Mongolia's Gobi Desert shook the world. Explorer Roy Chapman Andrews uncovered the first nest of dinosaur eggs, opening a window into prehistoric life. Since then, sites from Argentina to China have revealed eggs of all shapes and sizes, providing clues to the diversity of dinosaur families. Dating these ancient treasures involves techniques like radiometric dating, which measures isotopes to estimate age, and paleomagnetism, revealing much about the Mesozoic era. The eggs' textures and contents offer insights into the dinosaurs' nurturing behavior, suggesting that some species may have been attentive parents, much like birds today. Every discovery brings us closer to understanding these magnificent creatures. As we unearth more, the story of dinosaurs continues to evolve, just like the eggs that once nurtured them.